Hi, I'm Laura Adams with Finder.com, and today we're taking a look at Chase First Banking, one of the only checking accounts for kids as young as 6 years old. Chase First Banking is powered by Greenlight, so it offers many of the same great features, such as parental controls and chores and allowance integrations. However, there are some drawbacks that could be deal breakers for you and your family. Let's dive into the details so you'll know if it's a good fit. To open a Chase First banking account, there are 4 requirements. First, you must be at least 18 years old and have an existing Chase checking account. Second, your child must be between the ages of 6 and 17. Third, you must both live at the same address. And fourth, you must be an existing Chase customer. A Chase First banking account has no monthly fee or minimum deposit. That's surprising because a Greenlight Kids debit card charges $4.99 per month for its basic plan. But kids can use a Chase First banking debit card to withdraw cash for free at 16,000 ATMs. But if they use an out-of-network machine, they'll pay an ATM fee plus $2.50 to Chase. And if your child uses an ATM outside the U.S., there's a $5 fee for withdrawals and a $2.50 fee for transfers or balance inquiries. Chase First Banking is a top pick for the best kids' debit cards based on the following 5 features. Number 1, the account's parental control allow you to restrict where your kid can use their debit card and how much money they can spend. Number 2, the app lets you assign chores and automate allowance payments, which is rare for kids' checking accounts. Number 3, kids' prepaid debit cards with allowances and chores features generally require a monthly subscription fee, but Chase First banking accounts are free to open and maintain. Number 4, most kids' checking accounts are only available to teens, but kids as young as 6 are eligible to open a Chase First banking account with an adult. Number 5, you or your kid can create savings goals in the app that you both contribute to. But before you rush out to open an account, here are 5 potential drawbacks to keep in mind. Number 1, if you're not currently a Chase customer, you'll need to open a Chase checking account to be eligible for a Chase First banking account. Number 2, only one adult can be on the account unless you share your Chase login credentials. Number 3, there's only one way to fund the account, which is by using your linked Chase checking account. Number 4, Chase First Banking currently does not work with digital wallets, including Apple Pay or Google Pay. And number 5, Chase First Banking does not earn interest like some other checking accounts for kids do. Chase Bank has been in business since the 1700s, and it's FDIC insured up to $250,000, and it protects your data with bank-level security. You also have the ability to lock and unlock the debit card if it gets lost or stolen. All right, ready to get your kids started? First, visit Chase's website and log into your account. Then navigate to the checking account page and select Open Now under Chase First Banking. Completing the application only takes a few minutes, and your kid should receive their debit card within 7 to 10 business days. Once the card is activated, you can manage it from the same Chase app you use for your checking account. Using a linked Chase checking account, you can fund the account, pay kids' allowances, or send one-time transfers. But your child can't deposit cash at ATMs or deposit checks using the app. And it doesn't offer direct deposits, ACH transfers, or wire transfers. To access funds in the account, your child can use their debit card anywhere Visa is accepted. And they can withdraw cash from the account for free at any of Chase's 16,000 ATMs up to a daily withdrawal limit of $100. Chase First Banking is best for existing Chase customers and kids who are 6 to 17 years old. The account allows parents to manage chores, set savings goals, and automate allowance payments with no monthly fee. You can sign up for Chase First Banking by visiting our review linked in the description box below. Check it out to see how the account stacks up against other checking accounts for kids. Did you find this video helpful? Be sure to like it and subscribe so you'll know when the next video drops from Finder.com. Thanks for watching.